Portable Charger Myths Debunking Common Misconceptions. Title: Portable Charger Myths Debunking Common Misconceptions. Introduction. In today's gadget-obsessed world, portable chargers have become an essential accessory for anyone on the go. These handy devices have revolutionized the way we stay connected, allowing us to charge our smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices wherever we are. However, like any popular technology, portable chargers have also become the subject of many myths and misconceptions. In this article, we will debunk some common myths associated with portable chargers and shed light on the truth behind them. Myth 1: Portable chargers damage your devices. One of the most prevalent myths surrounding portable chargers is that they can damage your devices. These chargers are equipped with advanced circuitry that protects against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. It is essential to invest in a high-quality charger and ensure it is certified by recognized safety standards, such as UL or SAE. Myth 2: Portable chargers are only for smartphones. Another common misconception is that portable chargers are only suitable for smartphones. This couldn't be further from the truth. Portable chargers come in different sizes and power capacities, allowing you to charge a wide array of devices, including tablets, e-readers, Bluetooth speakers, cameras, and even laptops. Many portable chargers are equipped with multiple USB ports and even AC outlets, making them versatile enough to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The charging speed of your device depends on its specifications, including battery capacity and charging circuitry. High-end smartphones with fast charging capability will charge faster with a compatible charger, while older or low-capacity devices may charge slower regardless of the portable charger used. It is crucial to manage expectations and consider the capabilities of both your portable charger and the device you are charging. Myth 4: Leaving a charged device connected will harm the battery. Leaving a fully charged device connected to a portable charger will not harm the battery. Reputable portable chargers are designed to stop providing power once your device's battery is fully charged, preventing overcharging. Modern portable chargers utilize smart charging technology that automatically adjusts the power output to the connected device, providing a safe and efficient charging experience. However, it is advisable to disconnect the device once it reaches maximum charge to conserve energy and prolong battery longevity. Myth 5: Portable chargers have limited lifespan. Portable chargers, like any electronic device, do have a lifespan, but it is not as limited as some may believe. Reputable chargers, if properly maintained, can last for several years. To ensure the longevity of your portable charger, it is important to follow the manufacturer's guidelines, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, and store it in a cool and dry place. Additionally, it is crucial to use the charger regularly, as batteries can deteriorate if left unused for prolonged periods. Regularly checking for physical damages and replacing worn-out cables also contribute to the charger's lifespan. Myth 6: Portable chargers can be charged with any cable. Although most portable chargers come with a USB cable for charging, it does not mean you can use any cable interchangeably. It is essential to use the included cable or a high-quality cable compatible with your charger for optimal charging performance. Using a subpar or damaged cable may result in slower charging speeds, unstable or interrupted charging, or even damage to both the charger and E-device. Investing in a good quality cable specifically designed for charging purposes will ensure a reliable and efficient charging experience. Myth 7. All portable chargers are the same. It is a common misconception that all portable chargers are essentially the same. In reality, there are various factors that differentiate portable chargers, such as power capacity, size, weight, and additional features. Some portable chargers may offer fast charging capabilities, while others may prioritize compactness and portability. It is important to consider your specific needs and usage. Patterns when choosing a portable charger. For example, if you frequently travel or are often on the move, a smaller and lighter charger may be more suitable. On the other hand, if you rely heavily on your devices and require quick charging, a higher capacity charger with fast charging capabilities may be a better option. Myth 8. Portable chargers can only be used outdoors. Another misconception regarding portable chargers is that they can only be used outdoors. While portable chargers are indeed convenient for outdoor activities such as camping or hiking, they are really useful indoors. Portable chargers can come in handy during power outages or when you are away from electrical outlets. They provide a reliable power source, allowing you to continue using your devices without interruption. Additionally, portable chargers can be used in various indoor settings, such as in the office, at home, or while traveling in a vehicle. The actual charging capacity of a portable charger can vary depending on multiple factors such as the device being charged, its battery capacity, and the charging efficiency. For example, a portable charger with a capacity of 10,000 mAh may not fully charge a smartphone with a 3,000 mAh battery 3 times, as there is energy loss during the charging process. It is advisable to refer to the manufacturer's specifications and user reviews to gauge the actual charging capacity of a portable charger. Myth 10. Portable chargers are only necessary for traveling. While portable chargers are undoubtedly valuable for traveling, they can be useful in various other situations as well. In our increasingly mobile lifestyles, where we heavily rely on our devices for work, entertainment, and communication, portable chargers can provide peace of mind in any scenario. Whether you are attending meetings all day, going on a long day trip, or simply spending time away from electrical outlets, having a portable charger can ensure that your devices remain powered up. It is always better to be prepared and have a backup power source, especially in situations where access to electrical outlets may be limited or unavailable. Myth 11. It's okay to keep charging your devices overnight with a portable charger. There is a common misconception that it is safe to leave your devices connected to a portable charger overnight. However, it is important to note that even reputable portable chargers have limitations. While they are designed to stop providing power once your device is fully charged, it is still advisable to disconnect your device when it reaches maximum charge. Leaving it connected for an extended dead period can put unnecessary stress on the battery and may affect its longevity. Additionally, if you are using a portable charger that is not certified by recognized safety standards, there may be a higher risk of overcharging or overheating.